Hello, boys and girls. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we're going to learn a letter that we're going to learn how to write and the sound that letter makes. I want you to say some words with me, and let's listen for the first sound in all these words. You ready? Bat, ball, bump. Say that with me. Bat, ball, bump. At the beginning of all those words, bat, ball, bump, we hear the b sound. Say that with me, b. Your lips are together, b. And a puff of air comes out, b. And put your hand on your neck. Put your hand on your neck and feel your voice box. Inside there is your voice box, and you can feel it working, b. You can feel that voice box working. B. Do you hear that sound? B. You have to be really careful and not say buh, because it doesn't say buh. It's just a real fast sound. B. Your lips are closed at the beginning, and a puff of air comes out, and your voice box is working. B. That is the sound that we hear at the beginning of the letter B. This letter is letter B. It goes down and around, and it makes the sound that it's at the beginning of bat and at the beginning of ball. That's the letter B, and that's the one we're going to learn to make today. So I always tell boys and girls when they're learning to make a B, just to try to remember, we're going to draw the bat first, and then we'll draw the ball. That's how we can remember how to make that letter B. So I'm going to make one right beside it. Scoot over just a little bit. And I'm going to make a real letter B, not a picture letter B, but like a real one. So I'm going to make my bat first. I'm going to start at the top. Remember when we made our strokes and we made that tall grass? So it's going to be like a tall grass stroke. We're just going to come straight down. Watch me. I'm going to make my bat. You remember making those last week? We made those. We called them tall grass to help us remember. So we make our long stroke, our tall line down, and then we're going to make our circle. So we're going to curve around and close it up. We make our bat first and then our ball. Okay, before we start to write them, here's what I need you to do. We're going to skywrite them. I want you to watch me. I'm going to take my finger, actually I'm going to put two out there, and I'm going to go down to the table and go back around and close my B, just like that. And I want you to do it too. Watch me one more time. I start at the top, and I come down, and then I curve around and make my B. B. So get your hand in the air and point two fingers out, and let's skywrite that B. Okay, we're starting at the top, and we're going to come straight down. So come straight down with me. Down. Good. Now, after you go down, you're going to go back around. Curve around and make your ball. Go around and make the ball. B. Good. Let's do it again. Hands in the air. I like to put my hand over here so I can feel my muscle moving. We're going to go down, go straight down, down, curve around, B, just like that. We make our bat first and then the circle of our ball. I think we're ready to try to write it. One more time. Let's do it one more time. Skywrite. Here we go. What do we do first? That's right. We go down. So go down first. Go down. And then what do we do? Yes. We go around and make the B, the circle, the ball part. Okay. So get your pencil ready. Remember, when we hold our pencil, we grab it by the paint, then flip it over. Make sure you're holding it right. If you need to put something in your hand to hold on to, you can, so that you remember that these fingers don't do any work. So let's practice making a B. I'm not worried about the lines. We'll worry about lines tomorrow. When we make the letter B, we're going to make our bat first and then our ball, right? So I'm going to come down underneath this one. I'm going to make my bat, so make yours. Go straight down. Down, make the bat. Now curve around and make your ball. Circle around and make your ball. B, B. How does yours look? Let's do it again. I'm going to trace down, go straight down. So put your pencil at the top and let's pull straight down. Pull straight down. Now go back around. Circle around and make your ball. B, B. That is the letter B. It's the B sound. Your lips are together. B, B, B. Touch your lips. B, B, B. When you make the sound. The name of the letter B even kind of says it sound B, B at the beginning. And it is at the beginning of bat and ball, the B, B sound. And it's made by writing your bat first and then your ball. And here's what I need you to do. I need you to practice with somebody at home. And you don't have to just practice with a pencil. You can write it in the dirt outside. You can practice with shaving cream. You can practice with sidewalk chalk. You can practice making some bees with Play-Doh. That would be lots of fun. So, find some ways to practice that letter B, but also practice writing it with your pencil. I'd like for you to practice it 10 times at least on a piece of paper, okay? Practice that B, because you got to get really good at that B before we learn some other letters. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.